Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Ticketmaster web account and sell my tickets. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have an extra pair of tickets and need to get rid of them fast. This was the situation that I was in, so here's how I was able to do it. So first you're going to go log into your Ticketmaster account and then click on my account and then click on upcoming events. Now on this page, you should see your upcoming events, but I'm just going to use a past event as an example. So we'll take this event that I recently had sold. So I sold 2 tickets to this show here in Las Vegas. And so what you'll do is that on your page event, you'll click on your event and then click on sell tickets. There you'll actually input the pricing, but what's important is how much you price your tickets. So the way that I did it was that I actually went onto Ticketmaster and pretended that I was actually going to buy these tickets. So I actually looked on Ticketmaster how much prices were going for, and then I undercut the lowest price by like $5. So that right there was the way that I was able to sell my tickets on Ticketmaster fairly quick. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Once you sell your tickets, you will get an email notification saying that your tickets have been sold. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.